In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly hide and unhide your Plenty of Fish profile. For reference, you can always visit this page, nbots.me/bd63, for full step-by-step instructions on how to hide and unhide your Plenty of Fish profile on various devices. I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide your profile in your web browser. First, you want to log into your Plenty of Fish account. And then once you are logged in, go to My Profile up here, click the submenu My Profile, scroll down a little bit, and right there on the right, Profile Visibility, Show Profile, Hide Profile. You don't even have to press a Save button. If you visit this website here, nbots.me/bd63, you'll get full instructions on how to hide or unhide your profile on Android and iPhone, as well as other mobile devices